In this tutorial we will learn how to create text shadows. Effect in Photoshop can be a great way to add vibrant and eye-catching text or graphics to your designs. Here's a guide on how to achieve a basic shadow effect. Let's start. Click here. First add solid color adjustment layer, then choose black color as the background. Click OK. Then take the text tool and type any word you want. For this tutorial I am using the word shadows. Now take the move tool and place it according to your need. Go to layer, select duplicate layer. Or you can right click on the layer which you want or press Ctrl J. Now select bottom layer and go to layer smart objects, then select convert to smart object or right click on the layer, click convert to smart object. Go to edit, free transform or press Ctrl T. Go to edit, transform flip vertical. Or right click here then flip vertical. Drag down it, which performs as the reflect of the text. After that, edit, transform, perspective, or right click here. Perspective, stretch like this. Press enter or click here, go to layer. Layer style gradient overlay. Or from here, click on the gradient overlay. A new window will pop up with various options for your gradient. Set the blend mode, normal. Set the opacity, 96%. Select the black to white color gradient. Click OK. Set the style, linear. Set the angle, 90 degree. Set the scale. Or you can also adjust, from here. Hold, right click, and move, up, down, click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments. See you guys in my next video.